Hello and welcome to TekBoost. Today, I'm going to show you how to install video cards into a Lenovo Thinkstation P920. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer to make sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will not need any tools. This system has up to 8 PCIe slots with a dual CPU configuration and has enough power to support up to 2 Quadro RTX 8000 with NVLink. Although other video cards may be supported, the ones listed on the screen are certified by the manufacturer to run. To begin, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the latch on the side and remove the panel to reveal the interior. To install a video card, identify and release the tab holding down the slot covers for the PCIe slots. Remove the slot cover. You can now install the video card. Identify the PCIe slot you wish to use and press the card firmly down to ensure a proper install. Replace the tab until it snaps into place, ensuring the card is firmly in its position. Larger video cards may require power. The P920 workstation has two 6 to 8 pin power cables. Connect up to 2 power cords to the video card as needed. Lastly, reattach the side panel. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, RAM, hard drive, and video card installations, as well as general product overviews for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy requesting more content.